Hello, this presentation is regarding enhancing and accelerating carbon emissions using MPTS technology by TransPower company serving commercial and industrial clients for over 30 years. Adil is the president and CEO of TransPower company, who is senior member of AE and IEEE, an electrical engineer with an MBA and multiple technology certifications. TransPower company focuses its efforts in inventing and commercializing high-efficiency patented technologies for commercial and industrial clients. Why should you consider MPTS for your buildings? First and foremost, MPTS, or Maximum Power Transfer Solution, opens up a substantial opportunity for CO2 reduction. It has 10 years of proven performance in buildings in the United States. Imagine the scale of impact. By installing MPTS in all commercial and industrial buildings across the United States, which amounts to approximately 6 million buildings, each with an average reduction of 300 metric tons of CO2 per year, we could collectively cut carbon emissions by a staggering 1,800 million metric tons. This will get us closer to the 2030 goals. It's crucial to understand that no other technology can match the speed and scale of carbon emission reductions achieved by MPTS. The efficiency it brings to the table is unmatched. We are seeing that deployment of all carbon reduction strategies is not moving fast enough to meet the federal goals of 2030. It is time to consider new and proven technologies. Now, let's explore the remarkable impact of using MPTS, the Maximum Power Transfer Solution. First and foremost, MPTS technology offers an exceptional opportunity for significant CO2 reduction. When MPTS is installed in all commercial and industrial buildings throughout the United States, the potential impact is massive. We're talking about a potential reduction of an astonishing 1,800 million metric tons of carbon emissions. But what truly sets MPTS apart is its ability to deliver rapid results. The deployment of this technology can have an immediate and substantial impact on reducing carbon emissions. It's all about achieving meaningful results quickly. Now, let's examine the consequences of not utilizing MPTS, the Maximum Power Transfer Solution. First and foremost, without MPTS technology, we leave a vast potential for reducing carbon emissions largely untapped. This represents a missed opportunity to make a substantial contribution to environmental sustainability. Furthermore, carbon emission reduction efforts without MPTS are likely to progress at a slower rate. Achieving the same level of reduction without this technology would be a challenging and time-consuming endeavor. In summary, choosing to use MPTS technology offers a unique and efficient solution for reducing carbon emissions in commercial and industrial buildings. It brings significant benefits in terms of speed and scale when compared to the alternative of not utilizing MPTS. We're not merely talking about a handful of customers. In fact, hundreds of customers have already embraced MPTS technology. But what's even more compelling is the rigorous evaluation it has undergone. MPTS technology has faced scrutiny and rigorous testing, first by the USGSA, General Services Administration, and subsequently, it garnered the confidence of the United States Air Force. Its credentials speak for themselves. MPTS technology has been in practical use for several years across a diverse array of critical sectors. You'll find it powering NORAD, federal buildings, hospitals, commercial and industrial facilities, pumping stations, and even school buildings. Its successful application is a testament to its reliability and effectiveness. Let's turn our attention to the tangible outcomes of MPTS technology through real-world examples. This is not just a sample, it's a snapshot of how MPTS installations are actively making a difference, both in energy savings and in reducing CO2 emissions. MPTS shows measurable and consistent reduction. Let's delve into the profound connection between energy savings and carbon reductions, an impact that MPTS devices deliver with precision. For every MPTS device in use, it's not just about energy savings. It directly translates into saving an impressive 310 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalency each year. To truly appreciate this impact, consider it as equivalent to taking a remarkable 67.5 passenger cars off the road annually. Or, picture it as planting a remarkable 5,133 seedlings and nurturing them for a decade. MPTS technology is more than just energy savings, it's a powerful driver of environmental sustainability. This picture shows the global view of one power plant that is generating 2,550 kilowatts of power. The carbon emissions is 22.3 million pounds of carbon emissions each year. This is the baseline without MPTS technology in the network. The same power plant, now with the deployment of the MPTS technology devices downstream in the buildings, results in a reduced requirement in power plant generation. Also results in carbon emissions reduction by 20%. Case studies and actual performance data for MPTS technology devices are available on request. Thank you for your interest in MPTS technology, the next generation power management and carbon emissions reduction technology. If you have any questions or need additional information, please contact info@transpowerco.com.